Here we go!
Wow!
Hell tide! We're going down!
Wow! The bottom of the sea is sparkling! Wow! It's so beautiful!
How about it? The school of fish is spectacular, isn't it?
Look! A sea turtle! Wow! The sea turtle hit us! Jellyfish are just like fairies in the water!
Jellyfish have existed since 650 million years ago. Let's keep going!
Be careful! Oh! My god! Let's go quickly!
One, just relax and enjoy the scenery. Look who's coming! The mountain manta ray, and there's also a blue whale. Look at this blue whale.
It seems that it has something to say. Wow, what magnificent statue! Could this blue whale be their guardian?
The engine has stopped. I'm trying to restart it.
Hurry up, hurry up!
Don't worry. Sit tight.
It's coming again!
Wait until I activate the still mode. Listen, the blue whale is calling out to us.
Goodbye, blue whale! It's really incredible! This is what a real deep sea adventure is like!